Hi everyone, our recipe for today is a yummy veg burger. The first step is to cook the potatoes. I have used 5 medium-sized potatoes which I will pressure cook so that it would be easier to remove the skin and mash them to use in my burger patties. The other ingredients needed are 1 onion, 1 carrot, 5 to 6 beans, half a capsicum and some cabbage. I have removed and kept aside the thin outer layers of the cabbage to use while arranging the burger. Remember that the cabbage has to be washed really well before using it. Also chop 1/4 of the cabbage along with the other vegetables to add into the burger mix. All these go into the oil one by one, starting with the onion, beans, carrots and capsicum. Adding salt for faster cooking. I added the cabbage later. You can add any vegetable of your choice as long as it's not water based. I had some frozen cooked corns in my freezer, so I've just crushed that and added a little bit of it. This is not at all necessary. Then I'm adding coriander leaves. You can flavor your burger with whatever spices you have. Here I'm using 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or you can use paprika powder, salt to taste. I've used around 1 teaspoon garlic powder. If you're using fresh garlic, remember to add it into the oil. Then I add 1 teaspoon of mixed spices, oregano, basil, and half teaspoon of pepper. You can use chaat masala instead of the oregano. It gives a really nice flavor. And finally we are adding our cooked and smashed potatoes. Around 2 to 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs goes into this mixture to give it a better binding power. 2 cups of breadcrumbs will be needed for coating our patties. And also we need a slurry of corn flour and water. If you eat eggs, you can use that instead of the corn flour. I've used the 1/3 measuring cup to get equal sized patties. Shape them and give them a light coating of breadcrumbs before dipping them into the corn flour mixture. And finally give them a thicker coating of the breadcrumbs. You will get around 8 patties with this measurement. Now all that's left is to fry them. Fry them in a medium flame till they're golden brown in color. Serving the burger with mayonnaise, tomato sauce, cheese slices, cabbage leaves, a slice of cucumber and onion. Remember to toast the burger buns before applying your favorite sauce or spread. This is a great way of making your kids eat vegetables without them even knowing about it. If you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a big like. Also do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.